ẹ máa wo Kóńkó lórí Àwo TV.
Arákùnrin méjì kan ní ọwọ́ tún ti tẹ̀ báyìí ní Ijebu-Igbo ní agbègbè Agbodo látàrí ẹ̀sùn ìjínigbé. Orúkọ wọn ni Sunday Monday Igwe pẹ̀lú akẹgbẹ́ rẹ̀ kan tí orúkọ tirẹ̀ náà ń jẹ́ Chukwuma Patlomi. Àwọn arákùnrin yìí ni wọ́n jí Olúwaṣeun Òwòrè gbé ní ọdún tó kọjá. Lẹ́yìn náà ni wọ́n tún padà jí Fẹ́mi Ògúnyẹmí gbé pẹ̀lú bàbá 71 years tí orúkọ rẹ̀ ń jẹ́ Sunday Adékúnlé Ìfẹ́làjà ní ọjọ́ 23 oṣù kọkànlá ọdún 2023. Bí ẹ ti ṣe ń bá wa wo fọ́nrán yìí, ẹ má gbàgbé láti bá wa subscribe, ẹ bá wa tẹ like, ẹ sì share kí àwọn ènìyàn wa nílé kan tún fi èyí kọ́gbọ́n. Ọlọ́run á máa fi ìṣọ́ ẹ̀ ṣọ́ wa o. Àmín.
Ẹ máa wo Kóńkó lórí Àwo TV.
Where is the location?
This is the place.
The doorstep.
Maria, everyone, Michael.
Agbodo. You call it
Agbodo.
Eh?
Agbodo.
Agbodo, sir. Agbodo.
Agbodo.
I think maybe I should quickly go to our for chicken.
So what are we doing here today, sir?
This is Agbodo Forest in Ijebu-Igbo area of Ogun State. With me are two suspects in the cases of kidnapping we have been treating in the command. This is Chukwuma Patlomi and this is Sunday Monday Igwe. You will recall that in a spate of 6 months in 2023, precisely 29th of July 2023 and 23rd of November 2023, and the last one was on 31st, precisely Christmas Eve of 2023. We recorded 3 cases of kidnapping that have a familiar pattern, and we have been on this for quite some time until we got a breakthrough recently. These 2 suspects are confirmed being the culprits, while their other partners are presently on the run. They are here to lead us to the shallow grave where the kidnapped victims were buried. So we think it's better to follow that sequence. Let us confirm that it's actually a shallow grave where the victims are buried. Thereafter, we now give you details of the incident and how we came to this point. Àti ní àwọn cases ìjímọ̀gbé bíi mẹ́ta tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ní Ìjẹ̀bú-Ìgbò ní ọdún tó kọjá. Ìkan involve one ṣe Olúwaṣeun Òwòrè. Another one, the second one, which happened on 23rd of November, involved one Fẹ́mi Ògúnyẹmí, and the third one involved one elderly man, 71-year-old Sunday Adékúnlé Ìfẹ́làjà. Àwọn ènìyàn jí wọn gbé ní ilé wọn. Bàbá Ìfẹ́làjà wọn jí wọn gbé ní fáàmù wọn. Wọ́n dẹ̀ wọ́n gbé wọn lọ, wọ́n gbowó, wọ́n kì í pọ́n gbowó. Àárí àwọn ènìyàn dìspàtí ń sọ̀rọ̀ yìí. Dọ̀tí iṣẹ́ tà ṣe fẹ́ ṣàǹṣe lórílẹ̀-èdè wa sọ́dọ̀ àwọn méjì. Tọ́n dẹ̀ ti admit, tọ́n confess ipá wọn làwọn ṣiṣẹ́ yẹn, àwọn dẹ̀ ti pa àwọn ènìyàn, àwọn sin wọ́n síbì kan.
Kí lorúkọ wọn?
This is Patlomi. This is Patlomi Chukwuma. This one is Sunday Monday Igwe. So take us to the scene.
Bàbá dé báyìí.
No.
Sorry.